Hi! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing to you the difference of doing lookup in two different workbooks in Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. You can see in your screen right now that there are two Microsoft Excel workbooks that I place side by side. And in the other workbook, you can see that it contains all the necessary information such as the student number and the student names. And in the other workbook, you can see that it only contains the student number. So our objective is to get the corresponding student name for each student number. For this video, we'll use the VLOOKUP function so that we can get the student name. So let's type in the formula equals VLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be the student number. So we'll select cell A2, comma, and for us to get the table array, we'll go over to the other workbook. So we'll just choose columns A to B, and then comma. Since the student name is on the second column of the array, we'll just type in 2, and then comma, 0 or false, since we're looking for an exact match. So let's type in 0 and close parenthesis. So you can see now that the correct student name for each student number is now available in the table. Unlike with Microsoft Excel, where we can just switch in between the two workbooks to get the range of cells or information for our lookup value, in Google Sheets, we have to use another function which is called the import range. Similar to the Microsoft Excel version a while ago, we'll also use the VLOOKUP function to get the student name for the corresponding student number. So let's key in equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and choose cell A2, which is also the search key, comma, and for us to be able to get the lookup range, we will be needing the import range function. So let's key in import range, open parentheses, and inside the double quotation marks, let's put in the URL of the other workbook. So let's get the URL here and copy it. And then let's go back to the other workbook and paste the URL. And double quotation, comma. And let's get now the range string. So for us to get that, we'll again put in a double quotation mark here. And then copy the sheet name here. And then let's paste it in our formula. And then put in an exclamation point. And then put in the cell range. And since the information is available from cells A1 to B15, we'll key in A1, colon, and B15. And let's lock the range. So we'll just put in the dollar signs to lock the whole range since we'll be applying it across all rows. And then double quotation marks again, close parentheses, and then we will be going back to the VLOOKUP function a while ago, so comma, and then we'll put in 2 since the student names are located on the second column of the range, comma, and then put in 0 or false, and then close parentheses, and then click enter. And you'll notice that there will be an error message here. So you'll see a message that says you need to connect these sheets. So you'll just have to click the allow access. And then you'll notice now that the right student name is applied to our table. And we'll just drag the formula until the bottom most portion of the range. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel. Please like this video and share this to your colleagues, family, and friends. I would also like to thank my friend for sponsoring my outfit in this video. Please check out her shop, Women's Clothing Manila, in shopee.ph. See you in my next video. Bye!